Biashara kuma mwena wa Kongo ya gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Nyali kaunti ya Mombasa nimekugunĩka na uteithio wa mataro ma kĩwatho thutha wa gĩceceni gĩa kũheana ũtungata wa watho kũhingũrwo mwena ũcio. Akĩaria hĩndĩ ya kũrugũria gĩceceni gĩkĩ, Neila Abdalla ũrĩa nĩ ũmwe wa arũgamĩrĩri akĩo augĩte nĩ gĩgũteithĩrĩria aikari gũtaũkwo nĩ maũndũ megiĩ macira marĩa mamagũmagĩra kumana na ngũĩ cia kĩmũciĩ. Kũringana na anyiti itemi rũhonge-inĩ rwa magoti ma macira manini mwena wa Mombasa, makoretwo makĩandĩkithia namba nene ya macira maya, ũndũ ũrĩa maugĩte gĩceceni gĩkĩ nĩ gĩgũteithĩrĩria kũnyihia macira maya na nĩ gĩkũrehe motungata hakuhĩ na mũingĩ, mũno makĩria arĩa matangĩhota gũthiĩ magoti-inĩ gũkinyĩra ihoto ciao.
Reality that many traders, especially women, continue to face injustices and lack of support. Disputes go unresolved, rights are violated, and too often justice feels distant, complicated, and out of reach. This hub will change. It's going to bring closer. It's going to bring justice closer to the people. It's going to empower traders with knowledge, strengthen access to justice, and most importantly, it's going to create a safe space where voices can be heard and rights can be defended.
Hub ambayo imefunguliwa leo itaweza kusaidia jamii kuweza kupata haki yao. Koti ya Small Claims Court ni koti ambayo inashuka chini hadi kwa jamii, kusaidia watu wote. Kama mambo ambayo inakuleta kotini ni shilingi 1 hadi shilingi milioni 1, inaweza kukusaidia kupata haki kwa siku 60, na ni koti ambayo iko mtandaoni. So hub kama hii itasaidia watu kuweza kuingia kotini kwa mtandao, kuweza kufuatilia kesi zao, kuweza kuingia kotini na kuendeleza kesi zao kotini.
Hapa Mombasa County tungekuwa tuna rescue center saizi. Uko wapi kama mwanamke? Hapa Mombasa County kuna nyumba ya wazee ambao kina mama pia wako pale. Uko wapi kama mwanamke?